Sunflower oil contains more vitamin E and omega-6 fats than any other vegetable oil. This golden, light, and healthy oil is naturally extracted from sunflower seeds and bears a subtle taste. When it comes to skincare, sunflower seed oil is rich in nutrients and antioxidants, which is vital for healthy and youthful skin. Today we will share why sunflower oil is great for your skin and how to use it. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified for instant update. There will be many more videos to come for your help. 5 best sunflower oil benefits for skin. Prevent wrinkles. Being rich in vitamin E, sunflower oil protects your skin from free radicals and from the adverse effect of the sun, such as premature aging and wrinkles. Using a skincare product formulated with sunflower oil is a good way to slow down your aging and prevent wrinkles. Treat eczema. The linoleic acid in sunflower oil makes it effective for protecting skin against bacteria and germs. It helps to maintain the skin's natural barrier, supporting its ability to retain moisture. When used topically, sunflower oil is more effective at improving skin conditions like dry skin and eczema. Wound healing. Studies have found that topical use of sunflower oil is beneficial for faster wound healing. Due to its oleic acid, sunflower oil helps decrease inflammation in the skin and enhances the development of new skin cells. Acne treatment. In addition to vitamin E, sunflower oil is also rich in vitamins A, C, and E, making it an effective remedy for acne treatment. Sunflower seed oil contains vitamins and fatty acids that act as antioxidants, which kills acne-causing bacteria. Rich in beta-carotene. Sunflower oil is an excellent source of beta-carotene, a fat-soluble compound that can be converted into vitamin A. It helps in regenerating damaged skin cells and promoting skin health. It also acts as a natural moisturizer and helps in treating dry, sensitive skin. How to use sunflower oil for skin. Sunflower oil is light and non-greasy, and thus, it gets absorbed in the skin easily without blocking the pores. If you use sunflower oil on your face, just pour a small amount of oil into your palm and massage gently into the skin until it is completely absorbed. Try to avoid getting it into your eyes. For eczema or other skin issues, apply directly on the skin. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.